A business litigator represents business owners and entrepreneurs and people that have entered into transactions when a transaction goes sideways. So for instance, any breach of contract matter, breach of an employment agreement, we litigate trademark agreements or non-compete agreements, trademarks, wage and hour claims, business interruption claims, fraud even in the inducement of a contract. So anytime you're dealing with transactions and business type of things, that's where if it goes sideways, you need a business litigator to guide you through how to recover what you're entitled to. At Fikelja & DePaula, we've handled all kinds of business litigation claims. We've handled claims throughout the country and even internationally, whether in arbitration or in court, from something as simple as a breach of contract all the way through an antitrust claim. So if you're looking to enforce your rights in a deal, the business litigation experience we bring to the table is going to be invaluable to you. Client communication is of utmost importance. A lot of times clients involved in litigation feel anxious, uncertain, they're confused, there's a lot happening. It's all coming at them very fast. They have a lot of questions, a lot of concerns. We're there for the client to make sure we answer all those questions, to make sure we shed light on the path in front of them so that they don't feel like they're walking into dark and scary places without a guide. Communication is a big piece of what we bring to the table to make our clients more comfortable with the whole process. What makes our law firm different from other firms is we truly have the courage to go up against the big insurance companies, against the other side who's trying to knock our clients down, to try to deprive them of the justice they deserve. So when we take on a case, it's because we believe in it, and once we do that, we don't back down. Fikelja & DePaula is a small firm, and we've been in the community for decades, and one of the advantages of working with a small firm is the personal touch we bring to each case. We get to know each client like their family, and that gives us an advantage in the courtroom too, because a big part of presenting your case is getting to know your story, getting to know your family members, how your life was before the event that brought you to us to begin with compared to how it is now. And if you're in a big firm and have too many cases to do that, then you really take away from the kind of justice you can get for a client if you're not getting to know them on that personal level. During an initial consultation for a business litigation matter, we start out getting to know you and the transaction that may have gone sideways that brings you to us. So by that I mean we want to learn the details about what the contract provides for, what kind of performance was done on both sides, what it is that you consider to be a breach of that contract, whether or not there was fraud involved, is there a lot of correspondence related to this transaction, or is it word of mouth? We try to get a big picture of what the deal was and why it went sideways. We learn about your goals and what it is you're trying to achieve, and then we can come up with a strategy and a plan to achieve those goals as efficiently and cost effectively as possible.